Okay, we are going to test her.
She's gonna drop.
You will at least slow down. You will at least slow down, but these brake pads are tiny. Actually, you know what? I can make this work, but I'm gonna need your help. You know how much brakes actually cost?
A lot.
Too much.
40. 40 bucks.
Is she tight? Not quite.
Nah. She has a little bit of lift. Ow.
It's pretty light. Seriously, lift. Just lift from there. Just lift.
I don't know. Ted, I don't know what you wanted me to do with it. She's... Give her a little. Give her a little. Don't hop on it until you get it. Then your legacy will... Hold on.
Alright.
Explain this.
Okay, so the chain slack is way too loose. I knew this was gonna happen. I just wanted to see if it would work to begin with. But yeah, so what I'm gonna end up doing is, real dirt bikes and motorcycles usually tend to have some sort of plastic piece right here and a plastic piece right here, so the chain can swing as much as it wants in the middle, but as soon as it gets close to the gears, it confines down into a channel, so it stays on the gear and won't pop off. But we didn't have one of those yet, so I'll have to make one. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to get it back on so we can hopefully idle it back home. Also, the brakes work slightly. It did slow it down eventually. Did get rid of the rear suspension and front suspension just because we were having too many problems with the chain, and I figured I might as well lower it too, because as you could probably tell from the first video, this thing was really tall and I could barely even fit on it. So now it's more suited to me, and the steering I fixed. Now it's actually more like a traditional bike where this piece here is angled back, so it handles a lot nicer, because before it was just a straight flat piece, and then these were welded on at angles and it didn't steer good at all. So right now we're just gonna test drive it, and I'll be going down the road there, so you can probably pause it now. As you can see, she actually goes pretty fast coming down that road there. The steering, the one thing that kind of I don't like about it is the fact that it has no suspension in the front, so it's kind of rough on your arms when you hit a bump or something going at high speeds. But on the grass and on the trails it works pretty fine, so why don't we demonstrate that. Just go over there by the